What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to discuss about motivation. And since I am using the word motivation, that is related to why I have not been uploading videos recently. So I think the last video that I uploaded was around 8 days back, and that was not from India, that was from my trip. And you guys know that I was on a trip, which means I was still in the vacation mode, and that is what is also a reason for the lack of motivation. Now I could have just kept it inside me and not talked about it, because I that will make me look like I'm some perfect guy, but I'm not that kind of a guy. I just want to keep everything real and want to give you guys the simple ways that you can regain your motivation, especially when it comes to training. Because now, for example, if you are going you have an office job or something, there is no way that you can get away with not going to the office. Maybe you'll get a pay cut or something like that, so you, even though you are not liking it, you have no other choice but to go to your office. But gymming is something where you always have an option of not doing it. So I had an option of either going to the gym or not going to the gym. In my 4.5 years of training, trust me guys, I have never felt so demotivated when it comes to my training. This was a 15-day trip for me, and maybe that is the simple reason I was in a hangover, or maybe I was getting complacent. So what is complacency? Like, you are taking things easy, like that, so that is what I was taking it as. And I didn't work out for 15 days when I was on my trip, and when I came back I was in full josh. And the first day I went to the gym, I hit chest and back, and that was a very good workout. But after that, my body was sore because I was not able to work out, and I was not able to go to the gym for a simple reason, not because of soreness, not because of my diet. Simple fact, I was demotivated. And now I'll tell you guys how you cannot how you can get out of this stage where you will feel like shit and you would not like to do anything. That is what I was exactly feeling, and it is a feeling of not depression, but you feel like you don't want to do anything, you don't want to get off the bed. Okay, I was not sick, I was completely healthy, but thinking of that, I felt sick, or I felt sick. Okay, so I didn't work out for 4-5 days, and this not only affected me. This is my job, mind you guys, so this is my job. I work out, and I do certain online coaching and stuff, so that is my job, and everything in my life was getting affected. So being demotivated for a long time not only can affect you, but it can affect people around you as well. And most of the times it can piss them off as well, and because you are not good or not feeling good about yourself, it can piss them. So in this video I'll talk about what you can do to not be demotivated, or if you are demotivated, how to get out of it. So simple reason for to be demotivated is complacency and being in your comfort zone. So I was often criticized for being happy with my comfort zones, and absolutely I agree with that, because where now I feel I'm just running on my reputation, because I've created a reputation, especially when it comes to online coaching. I'm being very honest here, that people just look at the results of the clients that I have trained and just come to me. They're not at all bothered about what I'm doing, because it's about them. But if I just thought in these 4 days, like, do I deserve what I'm having? Or maybe I deserve, but I don't want to be called lucky any day, because people can easily tell he's just been lucky. So I don't want to be that. And I just thought, was I actually lucky that I'm having whatever I have, or was it, or did I actually deserve it, or did I actually work for it? If you ask me, yes, over the past few months I've taken things for granted sometimes, which is absolutely wrong from my side, because whoever works with me deserves the full of me, like they deserve 100% of me. Now even with Bharat, I've been training him for Muscle Mania, and even for that sometimes I feel that on my low days I was not been helping him, and which shows on his face that he knows that I'm not putting my full effort. So even such things affect me, because it is my job to stay motivated, right? And that is how people should eat off my motivation, not get demotivated by looking at me. So how to get back your motivation? It's very simple guys. Think about what you are doing wrong, and by wrong I'm not meaning just sitting around. That is not wrong. You might not have anything to lose, maybe some gains, but I lost gains. That was not what was making me feel bad. My clients were getting affected. I was actually discussing with a few of my clients. Actually I was delaying certain things, and I was like, I wanted to like ignore the fact that I was responsible for that, but somehow I discussed it with my clients, and I'm happy that they understood my situation. So I don't want to be one of those guys who just like stays very low. I'm not that kind of a person. So this is the first time that's happening to me, guys. I didn't want to go to the gym, but today I went to the gym. As we know, Monday is supposed to be a chest day, but I did legs and I'm feeling great, and I'm very motivated. I woke up very early in the morning to go to the gym, but I couldn't because Rome was not built in one day, right? So it took me time to wake up, but I just slept off again. But I woke up and I went to the gym at around 11 or 12, I guess. So I killed my workout. So the reason is simple, guys. You are in your comfort zone. That is the problem with most of us. Like when we get what we want, which I think I've got, we tend to be in our comfort zone, which is not a good thing, guys, because if you are in your comfort zone, that over a period of time will not be what you actually want, because once you are happy with what you have, maybe for the next 2 years maybe it is enough, but after that you will want more. At that time, if you don't have that drive and if you don't have that will, trust me, you're not gonna go anywhere in life. So that is what I actually felt, and I was discussing with one of my good friends about that as well, and she was very open about it, and she knew that I was feeling low, and sometimes people around you can also help you. Okay, so otherwise if you don't have anyone to help you in that situation, I'm not saying that she was the sole reason I got out of it. It is a self-realization of not doing enough, being in your comfort zone, being in your Lakshman Rekha. Cross that Lakshman Rekha and just come out of it, guys, because trust me, for 4-5 days it's okay, but if that goes for a long period of time, you might lose gains. That is absolutely fine, but you will lose gains in life, and that is not what I want. And it's time to get back on the grind, and that's why I just made this video. I have been a pussy about it. I've been making excuses, and making excuses isn't gonna take me anywhere. So it's time for me to like open up and be a man and talk about it, and that's what I'm doing, guys. So if you ever feel like demotivated, just think that no one's gonna get anything out of it, but if people are gonna get something out of it, you're actually doing a good thing. So it's not that you're doing it for the people. Just have a smile on your face, just stay motivated, and if you are motivated within, people will be motivated because of you. You don't have to do anything. If your actions will speak louder than your words, right? So just do what you like to do, and once you get what you always wanted, just don't be happy with that. That is what I've been doing over the past few months. When I get whatever I want, I just take it for granted. Not take it for granted, I'm just happy with it. I don't want to achieve more. Okay, when 2 years back I didn't have what I wanted, I was always having the drive, always hustling, and I always went through it and I got what I wanted. So I have a lot of things that I want, and me being lazy and me being demotivated is not gonna help me, or it's not gonna help anyone around me. So let me know what videos you guys want to watch. Anything that you guys want to watch, I'm gonna make that video, and whoever comments, please thumbs up their video, thumbs up their comment if you guys want to make me a video on that topic, because maybe if you have certain topic and it's already discussed, I might not make that video. So please ask me what you want. And this is the My Protein t-shirt, which I love, by the way. And anyways, guys, I hope you got something out of this video. Simple point is, don't stay in your comfort zone. The day you are happy in your comfort zone, maybe for a couple of months you'll be happy. After that you will be crushed and you'll feel like you don't want to do anything, and you'll just be on your bed and not want to get up. So simple fact, have the drive. Don't be happy with what you have. If you are happy with what you have, you'll always be there, and after a couple of years, that whatever you have will be nothing. So always move forward, always come out of your comfort zone. Of course, create a Lakshman Rekha, but reach that Lakshman Rekha and then just come out of that. Okay, so I hope you all like this video, just discussing what I'm feeling now, and Bharat is here listening to the truth, and he already knows the truth anyways. So thanks, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you like my video, and share this video. If you have ever felt like this, do leave a comment box and just say high five. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. Peace.